Good morning. Hello. Welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and I'm vlogging today, y'all. So my hair looks a mess, but I'm actually about to go to the hair store to get, well, not just to get me a headband, but to get me a headband, and then also I have a hair appointment right now. I'm about to do somebody's hair, so I just need to get a wig cap and some hairspray. So about to do that, but first I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Hopefully my man don't watch this because we ain't supposed to be spending money, but what I wanted to eat this morning we don't have, so I gotta go make it do what it do. And so I'm about to leave right now. I got all my bag packed. If you're in the Phoenix area, I do hair and makeup. So yeah, hit your girl up. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. Because why is it cold outside? The sun is shining like it's a nice day, but it's cold. I should have worn a coat. I got this little vest on, trying to be cute. I should have worn a coat. Let me hurry and get to this car, child. See, I knew I wasn't tripping. My car say 33 degrees. I need to zip up. Girl, why I got this vest on inside out? I was about to zip it up. Oh, it's so cold. I've got this heat going. Oh, Jesus. Okay, the vest is doing something because as soon as I took it off, girl, I was right back to being cold. Colder. Oh, hurry up and get this vest on. Oh, about to zip it up. You know, y'all mama used to make you zip up your coat and you didn't want to? Child, I be zipping my coats up now. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Need some lip gloss on. Y'all see my lips is chapped. It's been real cold out here. I didn't know it get this cold. But anyways, if y'all don't know, I do own a hair store and salon in San Diego. And I always have been doing makeup, and I've done people's hair time and time again, but now I decided to actually add it to my resume and actually do it low-key for real. And the reason I say low-key for real, because I don't know how long I'm gonna do it for. I have been enjoying it so far, but Jesus, it's so cold. I'm trying to warm up. Whew, and usually I don't care nothing about letting my car warm up, but it's real cold. But I'm about to go to Starbucks. I need to put in the GPS. I know it's close by, but I ain't trying to get lost. Actually, I know where it's at. I shouldn't get lost. Let's go to Starbucks. Not me done past the Starbucks drive-thru. I gotta back it on up. Okay, because girl, who getting out in this 33-degree weather? Okay, it's done went up 1 degree, 34. So I just want a sandwich. Actually, I don't even want to drink. I'm gonna just drink my water. Y'all, question: what app y'all about to go to be on? Because I just got into TikTok, and y'all know TikTok might be banned in like a week. So what? I done downloaded this Lemonade. Trying to figure out because I've been seeing Lemonade. Y'all gonna be on there? Let me know, but I'm about to order, so let me see. Hi, can I just get the tomato mozzarella panini? And that's it. Thank you. Yeah, what app y'all gonna be on? I've been trying to start getting more active on Threads, Instagram Threads. I know that's definitely not like TikTok, but you know, it's limit. So I know Lemonade is sponsored by TikTok though, so like, or they're the same company or something. So is Lemonade just gonna get banned too? You know? And I'm over here looking like a boy, without nails, especially with this bun. This is terrible. And I got everything that I needed, but for some reason, you know, you just still be walking around. Beauty supply in San Diego. I actually hate coming to other beauty supply stores, but since I'm here, I'm trying to just be nosy. So seeing everything they got. I heard they got a lot of stuff to offer here. So this is Wapa Beauty Supply. They got like 7 beauty supplies in the Arizona area. So just, you know, being nosy, seeing what's going on. Okay, so where I'm at where the beauty supply store is, it's only 10 minutes from the girl's house. So, oh no, this bird is on top of my car. Thank God my sunroof is closed. And she lived in an apartment complex, so I don't want to show up too early and then just be sitting there awkward. So I'll just show y'all what I got from beauty supply real quick. I literally just got 4 things. So I got this headband that I'm about to put on right now. So it's called a deluxe wrap scarf. So I don't even know. I'm gonna see what this looks like right now, because they had regular headbands, but they were out of black, and I didn't want no colors. I already got this red outfit on. Okay, so it looked like this. I guess, okay, that's fine. Let me see. Hopefully it fit. And it don't. It's so big on my head. It's so big. Oh God. So it's so big. So do I got a small head? Maybe I got a peanut head. Y'all think I got a peanut head? It's so big. So I don't even know if this could work. And then if I stretch it out like scarf like, unless I wrap it around my bun. Okay, this is so okay. Well, this was a wasted $3. Unless, child, that is so annoying. Like, I gotta wear it around my ears like this for it to work. I gotta have big curly hair on or something for this headband to work. Talking about one size fits all. What about the little head people? Because apparently I got a little head. But I'm gonna stretch it out like that a little bit, so then you really don't see none of my hair for real. It made a little bit. It's big, child. This thing gonna fall off my head. Whatever. I got a wig cap for the girl. I'm gonna do a wig install, glueless. She wanted a full wig install, but I told her I never did that before. So she's like, okay, can you just give me a braid base and then like just help me style the wig? So I said, okay, cool. She said the knots and stuff was already bleached, but she said she hasn't even taken out the package. Y'all know some of these companies be saying pre-bleach, but they really don't be. So I already have one of these, but I've been using it for like the quick weave bonding glue, so it's not clean right now. So I just got a new one, and I saw this little set because I was like, okay, cool. That way I can mix the bleach and the you know, the developer in here instead of just using like a paper bowl, and I could just always try this. And then just in case you over bleach your knots or anything, like this is like good to have, or like the spray kind. But and I would have got the spray, but honestly, on a budget, and this is only $3.99, so, or $3.99 or $4.99, and the spray stuff be like $9.99. So I was like, you know what, I only have one wig client so far, which is this girl, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try this out for a little bit, and then maybe as I get more wig clients, because I'm actually gonna take a wig class with one of the stylists at the shop this coming up week, and then so once you teach me everything, then I'll go ahead and get the spray, so that way I'll be able to advertise more wig installs and stuff, and build my books. So y'all, Arizona, y'all treating me well out here. Y'all booking me. Y'all are really booking me. Y'all keeping me good and busy. I do have some, and I'm only taking one client a day because I am pregnant, and once I'm standing on my feet, I don't know how y'all, shout out to y'all hairstylists, shout out to y'all, because I be so out of breath. I be feeling like I'm gonna throw up, like I be feeling like I'm about to just fall over, and I be having hot flashes. So I can only do one client a day, and so far I've been averaging like 3 to 4 clients a week. I'm trying to average like 5 to 6 a week. So but right now 3 to 4. I just started doing hair out here. Get at me. So I got 2 clients so far this week. I'm going back to San Diego on Friday, or Thursday. So I have one today, Monday, and then one on Thursday. So I might take one tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so it just depends on how I feel. If I decide to publicize, I have open availability that day. But I will for sure take one on Wednesday if somebody asks me for Wednesday. So yeah. Let's go ahead and be on our way to the appointment. I've been sitting here chatting with y'all. So yeah. Oh, come on now, music. Okay, so I finished the girl's hair, and it came out all right, but I was tricked. Okay, I was tricked. It was not a glueless wig install. It was a 13x4 blonde wig, frontal wig. So I had to glue it down. Y'all, I am not a wig install person. I want to learn, but I haven't learned yet. So I was like, I could, you know, I know the basics of it. I know you got to glue to the perimeter. I know you got to put the legs, and I got to cut the legs. Yeah. So it was just a lot, but I'm gonna insert a picture of how it came out. So it didn't come out terrible, but it's just like, I just don't like that I was tricked, because I would have told you no. Like, I don't do wig installs. And then, you know, she gave me the money or whatever, and I was like, I don't even know what to charge for real, because I don't do wig installs yet. I'm not good at it yet. So it's just like, what do I even do for real? Oh, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to go eat. That little sandwich I got from Starbucks this morning done wore off, so. Oh, is that like a little theme park right there? But yeah, she said she liked it. She did say, like, you know, maybe this could be different next time, but you know, whatever. Yeah, I'm about to go to the bank, find me some food, go home, clean up, do my wifely duties. So yeah. All right, holla at y'all at the stove. Okay, so I'm home from the grocery store. Spent more than I planned, but you know, hey, you know, life is expensive. So I just got a vitamin water. I needed some hot sauce. I just got a small Red Rooster, or no, Louisiana. I like Louisiana and Red Rooster and Red Hot, but we didn't have none of those three that I like. We have some other ones that my husband likes, but they all right for me, but they're not my favorite. So I'm making some fried catfish bites tonight. So I also got these granola bars. Well, they're not even granola bars. These Special K bars, okay? They good. The blueberry and the strawberry kind of good. I got the blueberry this time. Only 100 calories if you care about that. I really don't care about calories like that, but it's just good. This little chicken salad pack I'm about to eat right now. Put spread it on some bread. Your girl is hungry. My husband said he wants some cornbread, so I'll make some cornbread. Pregnancy snack, pickles. I have reached that time in my life. Eggo sticks for breakfast. For chose Eggo sticks. Brown sugar because I'm making some cookies for me and him. Some chocolate chip cookies, and the recipe calls for brown sugar. We have black tea, but like I wanted just the lipton black tea because I make some homemade iced tea with that. Pregnancy craving. Whipped cream, and we have Jell-O packets here, and I want to make Jell-O and then put the whipped cream on top and eat it like that. So good. So got that. This is the catfish. I just got one fillet because I know I'm not gonna want this tomorrow, honestly. So I'm gonna just chop it up into bites, and then me and him will eat it tonight for dinner. Snack, Uncrustable sandwiches. Me and my husband both love those. We're childish, I understand. Had a cabbage for tonight's dinner. I was gonna get greens, but they didn't have no greens, so cabbage it is. I got a box of cereal because the cereal was only on sale for $1.77, and y'all, cereal is expensive. I got an onion for the cabbage. Just something to have in the freezer, a little pepperoni pizza, cheese for mac and cheese. Ready to have some cheese in the fridge, so I just needed one more bag for that, and then some oat milk for my cereal. So yeah, that's all we got. It don't even look like I got that much, but for what I got, child, spent too much. But anyway, I'm about to eat this food real quick. I'm hungry, and I'll come back to y'all when I'm cooking. I've started cooking, so I got the macaroni boiling for the mac and cheese. I got the cabbage cut up right there. Just cut that. About to cut the onion. I got some water boiling for my hot tea. I'm about to make. Well, I'm not going to make hot tea, but you gotta make it hot to ice it first. You know, if you didn't know, that's how you make iced tea. You boil the water, like so. Make it like regular. You're gonna put like 5 tea bags in there, so it can be nice and potent. Put the sugar in while it's hot, so that way it dissolves, and then you put it in the fridge. So while that's doing that, about to cut the onion, and then I'm gonna check on the noodles. If the noodles are not done yet, I'll then prep the cornbread. But if the noodles are done, I'll go to the mac and cheese and then do the cornbread. So yeah. Catfish I'm gonna do last so that I can be fresh. Ready, so cornbread, cabbage, mac and cheese, and catfish nuggets. So we're gonna plate it up, eat. Hopefully it's good. It's served.